channel. If it's not your first time, welcome back. Bobisha is back. Today we are getting ready for date night. I'm doing a little 3-in-1 and get ready with me. So I'll be doing a little bit of makeup, a little bit of hair, a little bit of picking out my outfit, trying something different. We shall see with the new camera, something new with the new camera. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get into how we got this look together. Let's get ready for date night. Well, this is a very different setup for me. I kind of wanted this to get ready with me to almost be a little bit more like, not vlog style, but like y'all are literally getting ready with me. So if you watch my skincare vlog, you already kind of know my skincare routine. I like to use little micellar wipes when I'm like doing makeup and not doing my full routine, just to kind of dust the day off. I'm going to tell you guys some products, mainly if I'm using a new product. But we are going to be doing hair, makeup, and getting dressed. So I want to keep everything kind of concise. So I still can't let this primer go. Putting my primer on first. The Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I like to put that on very first. And let it start to sit in while I do my brows and my eyes. Because it does need to kind of like melt into the skin a little bit. Still loving the Got to Be in my eyebrows. I know I did like kind of a test with it and I was trying to figure out, my eyebrows were huge in that video, by the way, but I think I kind of figured out how to do the technique, and I just like the hair kind of being a little more tamed. And I actually switched back to like my classic products, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil for my brows now. I'm going to actually go ahead and just finish my brows and my eyes because I'm not doing any eyeshadow, and y'all, brows will take forever. And because I'm covering all three things, I really just want to give you guys like the main points. So yeah, I'm going to use the ABH pencil, Perfect Brow Pencil, just to fill in, let this Got to Be dry a little bit, and then I'll come back to kind of do skin and stuff, because I feel like brows, I know it needs this on video, but they change so often. We're still working on it. So let me get these brows somewhat together. It's a process, but somewhat together, and I'll be back. And that is why I will never give y'all an eyelash video, because I promise y'all I just glued my right eye shut. No matter how many people ask me, can we do a lash video? Girl, no. That's the blind leading the blind. I know y'all see that sometimes my lashes be giving wonky. Y'all don't want these tips. Like, I'm winging it too. I watch tutorial videos too and try to figure it out, and I'm just not at the place to be able to teach people, just at all. Y'all might have seen in some videos I've done, I was trying out the like doing your concealer and contour underneath your foundation. I don't like that for concealer. The reason is because it makes it too subtle and natural, which is the whole point of it, which I like sometimes. But when I'm doing more like night looks or something like that, I want my contour, I'm sorry, Jesus, am I drunk? I want my concealer to be a little less subtle. So I've still been doing the contour under, but I'm trying to do the contour under and then still do the concealer on top of my foundation, because I think that might be a little bit closer to what I'm liking. Contour got wild. Another reason I like to do it under the foundation. I'm using my NARS foundation, which I've been loving. It's the New Caledonia in the soft matte. I have their soft luminous, the one that everybody loves. I don't like it. I have a whole bottle of it. I honestly need to give it to somebody because I don't like it. It's very runny to me. It's just not doing what I want. I had somebody ask for my brushes on one video. Most of my brushes are going to be Morphe. I think they're just affordable. There's a store locally here, so I could easily go grab more if I need to. So I've been sticking with Morphe brushes, and they just have so many different types and contour brushes and concealer brushes. They're just really versatile. Like I said, I didn't do any eyeshadow. When I don't do any eyeshadow, sometimes I'll just go in with like my contour powder. This is the Queen Collection, which RIP, I don't know why they ended that. But I just put that on my lid so it's not literally just concealer color. But no eyeshadow. I gotta really be in the mood to do eyeshadow. I've really been going back to my Old Faithfuls. Sometimes I try new products just to see, because I like makeup, so I try new products. But I've been finding that I've been going back to my go-to. So I'm still using the Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer. So many pros. I went way too low with this concealer. So many pros. I mean, the tube size alone is just, you get so much product for the price. Especially, I started going up higher with my concealer, but I feel like it was just a reflex to go back low just now, which is totally fine. I'll blend it all and make it all work. I do my hair, my makeup before my hair. I know some people are like, what's the best way to do it? For me, I like to do makeup before hair, because while I'm doing my hair, I like to kind of let my makeup like sit and set. I don't like walking out with like super fresh makeup, like the fresh powder and everything. I like to kind of let it sit and kind of melt into my skin a little bit. If you can do your makeup without opening your mouth, are you even a human? I really feel like there are so many trends and so many, do this now instead of this now, put your blush here instead of this now. It literally varies so much, not even just based on your face, based on what you're doing. If you're going out and it's night, if you're going out and it's day, if you're going out and it's more glam or it's more of a natural face, it's more of a casual face. I feel like we like to do these like, do this now, this is the wrong way to do it. Do this now, this is the right way to do it. And it really, sometimes I like to contour my nose, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I put blush right here, sometimes I put it here. Sometimes I put powder before my foundation, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I spray my setting spray multiple times throughout, sometimes I don't. I just feel like TikTok and all that stuff like to tell people like there's a wrong way to do something, but your face and your skin and the weather and everything is always changing. So I don't think when people are like, oh, I was doing it this way, you can still do it that way, sis. Or sure, if it works for you, who cares? I hate when I see those like 2019, 2021 makeup. What if I like 2019 makeup? Like, what's the problem? What's it to you? Contouring, I'm still floating between contours so much. I still love the Fenty Toffee Teas. Sometimes it feels a little deep for me, but it's such a pretty color. I'm still just gonna go in with the Queen collection to start. I like to start with one and then just build from there. Definitely use my bronzing brush, not my contour brush, but we're gonna go with it. Finishing with my blush, I've been using e.l.f. has a putty blush that I've really been liking. It's like super pink, and then I also have a Beauty Bakery blush that is super orange. Let's see if you can see both of those. That color's looking funky on camera, but I promise it's orange. I've been liking getting both of those, mixing them, and just brushing here. Okay, now I'm just gonna finish with some highlighter spray, and I'll probably do my lip last, just because why not. But yeah, I like to spray and then do my hair so that it can kind of sit and melt together. Oh, that lash giving wonky. Okay, let's do some hair. Let's do some hair. Okay, time for hair. I have this bob, so it shouldn't be much to do. Maybe just hit. I love this bob. Okay, I told my stylist I was not gonna put edge control on my edges because you know I love a swoopity swoop. But I'm just gonna, whenever I do flat iron, I use heat protectant, of course. I have Chi. Right now I just have the Cantu. Sometimes I won't even just spray it on the hair. I'll just like spritz a little bit in my hand and kind of put that, because this hair for the most part holds pretty well, so I don't have to flat iron as much. It's really my leave out I have to flat iron. I told y'all when people ask about how I work out with weave, is that I fry my hair. It's no secret, I don't have a hair secret. I wish I did, y'all, but I do flat iron my hair. I've been using the EAP heat. I didn't even turn it on. I just realized I thought I turned it on. But watch how quick, let me see if I can get y'all to see it. Watch how quick it's heating up. Do y'all see how fast that's heating up? So it's gonna get to 450, which is too high, but it's gonna get to 450 in like 2 seconds. So I'm having it up to 410. It's like, I've never had a flat iron heat up this fast. These are worth it. I thought it was all just some Instagram hype, but these are so worth it. It gets my hair super straight. in like one. It's already at 380. So I'm just gonna kind of bump, because I had clips on my hair. So I'm just gonna kind of bump the middle a little bit. I do like bobs because I feel like they can be a little more like natural. So I'm not gonna do my edges now. After I work out a couple times, I'll probably have to do my edges. But for now, so I have flyaways. I don't know if y'all can see them. I'm gonna use the Got To Be Insole spray. I've used this before and I've showed you guys this for my wigs. I'm gonna spray some in my hands and then I'm just gonna brush the hair down with that, as opposed to using edge control. It's raining tonight, so hopefully my hair will hold. But those have been my 3 main products for hair. I mean, I love this for wigs, natural hair. I love this spray. And it doesn't make it like hard or crunchy. Because like I said, I'm trying to resist using edge control or any like harsh product. But I do get flyaways. Even if I do use edge control, I'll probably just put a teeny bit on my palm and just brush it down here. But because you can't really see my edges, I feel comfortable just going without it. So I feel like, honestly, hair was pretty easy. I mean, this is a pretty low maintenance. I'm gonna do just a little bit of edge control. I don't know why I'm whispering like she can hear me. I'm literally just gonna do, you can't even see it on my finger, because I just have flyaways and I know with the rain, it's gonna be like just a little bit. It's just gonna get worse with the rain. And that's gonna drive me crazy. I do wanna make sure though that I don't have like makeup hairline. I think we're done with hair. This is why I wanted a bob, for ease. Okay, now let's get dressed. Okay, so typically when I'm getting dressed, I like to start with my accessories. So normally, let me see. So normally I would start with my shoes, but these are my heels are over here. I don't even know where these heels are. But it's raining, so I'm probably gonna wear sneakers. This closet, how crazy does it look? So this is quickly becoming an accessories closet because it's mostly like just a bunch of bags and then like shoe boxes. So I feel like I'm just gonna transform this into an accessories closet. But I wanna wear, if I'm doing sneakers, I wanna do these. Let's see. So these are like these super cute MCM sneakers. But because it's raining and I just don't know if the ground's gonna be wet, I'm gonna do a sneaker. And then I don't have an MCM bag to go with that, but I wanna get a bag. But I'm gonna start with the shoe and then we'll see what we come up with for the outfit. Maybe I'll just pull some options. We'll see what Aramis is wearing. Okay, so here's where we landed with the outfit. I did kind of more like, it is a mess back here. I did like elevated casual because I don't really know where we're going. So I'm flexible, and it was raining, so that just makes me feel more casual. So I just did a little white ribbed like tank crop top kind of thing. This is from the hood store for just a couple dollars. Then these navy track pants that I got from Zara a really long time ago. The MCM shoes I showed you guys has like a little bit of blue in it, so I just took that and ran with it. And
she wanted to match me in the camo with her MCM shoes.
I picked these shoes out before you had that on. Okay.
Let her tell.
Can I finish? Thank you. And then this cute little bag, this little McQueen bag. It's not black, it looks black. It's actually like midnight blue. So it kind of ties in the navy and the black together. Dress it up with this little necklace and the matching bracelet, watch, wedding ring, of course. And then my little Malibu ring. Are you gonna focus on it? There we go, my Malibu ring. And that's it. Hopefully I can get a picture. If not, y'all saw it here. Want to try something different, a little 3-in-1, get ready with me, more than just me at the table talking, doing my makeup. So let me know how you guys feel about this video. If you'd like to see more of these, if you'd like to see more of the get ready process. We're about to head to dinner, date night, and I'll see you guys in the next video.